This is our social screen. It is a freestanding structure which allows it to be placed literally anywhere on the floor. Unlike our other products, which normally stand on a table or desk, this one stands straight on the floor on these supports. The total height is 1.95 meters, so I doubt you'll have many employees that will be able to peek over it. The returns are 80 millimeters long, and they provide the stiffness required for this kind of panel. The sheet here is 5 millimeter thick, so it's chunkier than our other product. But because of this design, you can literally put it wherever you want to. So like here at the doors if you've got a security guard, but also canteens, kitchens, toilets, meeting rooms, receptions, even your main office where people tend to stand up and sometimes have a chat, maybe next to your coffee machine, next to the photocopier, and so on. So basically there are no limits where you can put it, and it is a very, very versatile screen.